What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the Bitforge. Okay, so the project just went live probably 3-4 days ago. Okay, still fresh, still new. Okay, and it's a possibility that you can earn 2% daily passive income. Okay, so let's check what is Bitforge. Okay, so Bitforge, it's a BTC mine. Okay, so where they mine BTC, and they are creating this platform so users can invest in this mining. All we have to do is come over here to dashboard. You make a deposit. The minimum deposit is 50 USDC, and then once you make that deposit, we're gonna earn 2% daily. Okay, after 25 days you can come over here and withdraw your initial capital. Okay, they also have a referral system um, right here. Okay, so you get 6% in referral commissions from whoever joins the platform under your referral link. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see how to get started. Okay, but don't worry about it because I got you covered. I'm going to show you step by step how to get started. Also, we have an inbuilt calculator. So for instance, you come over here and you deposit 1,000 bucks. So after 25 days, your ROI, return of investment, will be 1,500. So that means you'll make 500 bucks in 25 days. Okay, plus you get to withdraw your 1,000 bucks after 25 days. Okay, so the current ROI is about 2% per day. They also have a roadmap right here. Okay, take your time to read everything. Make sure you fully understand how everything works, and then once you're happy with that, move on. Okay, over here we have the facts. Okay, how to become an online miner for Bitforge. Okay, essentially you will need USDC. Deposit USDC. Minimum amount is 50 USDC. There is no maximum from what I can see. Okay, and once you deposit, you are officially an online miner for Bitforge. Okay, it is possible to make several deposits. Okay, each deposit will have its own duration. Okay, and where can I take my profits? Okay, automatically. So you as soon as you invest in a project, okay, you will automatically will start earning your rewards, and you can collect your rewards at any time. Okay, and over here we have the team behind the project. And can I withdraw back my initial investment funds? Yes, you can after 15 days. Okay, and why should you invest in a Bitforge? Okay, with the central bank loss of control, has central bank control weakness, Bitcoin is gaining popularity, has a wealth storage option. Okay, and over here you have the option to earn some passive income. Over here we got the team. Okay, obviously this is just NFTs or emojis, whatever you want to call it. Okay, but you have the team. Down here we have the Twitter page, Telegram, and white paper. Okay, so if you come over here to the Telegram, we have 1,200 members, currently 39 online. Okay, the project also been audited by George Stamp. Overall score is 79 out of 100. Okay, so there is multiple backdoors which allow the dev team to withdraw funds from the contract balance. So the way I was explained is there is backdoors because the team has to withdraw funds from the TVL to feed the mines. Okay, so and then from there they will generate yield income, and then they will pump back to the smart contract. Okay, that's what I've been told. All right, so if it is real or not, I'm not sure. I cannot tell you that because I'm not part of the team. Okay, so essentially once you click on the dash open DApp, okay, it will take you to dashboard, and this is the dashboard. Okay, but before I go into that, let's check the smart contract and let's see what it says. So owner can steal from the contract balance by using set proportion, which change percentage denominator and daily interest rates coefficients. Ah, tough word. Okay, so there is a backdoor, right? So the owner has also a few other privileges. So modifies the total devices and total profit per month, withdraw fees from withdrawals and claims, change percentage denominator, and daily interest rates coefficients. Okay, so every time you make a deposit and claim, there is a 3% tax not modified by the deployer. Okay, guys, so please always do your own research before you invest in any project. Okay, we also have the smart contract. Every time you interact with the project, make sure you are interacting with the smart contract. The way I make sure is I check the last 4 digits, so 76 to B. So when I go ahead and make my investment, I will show you how to verify the smart contract. Okay, and over here we can see what's been happening in the past. Okay, so very simple to play about with the project. Over here you got the dashboard, total deposits 4.6k, total revenue 58 USDC, total miners of deposits, total withdrawn. Obviously I haven't started yet, and we got the monthly yield. So 30 days times 2% is 60% roughly. Okay, so how to get started? Okay, so first things first, you got to connect your wallet. Come over here, connect your wallet. MetaMask will pop up and it will ask you, hey, do you want to connect your wallet to this platform? Then you will say yes or no, confirm or cancel. Right, so once your wallet is connected, you are good to go. Okay, so once your wallet is connected, you come over here and you enter the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, so you come over here, enter the amount, and you hit deposit. Okay, so when you hit deposit, MetaMask will pop up again, and strangely is not asking you to approve. Okay, so if he was asking for approve, I would show you a pro tip, but there is no approval from as far as I can see. So let's see what MetaMask will say. Okay, so there is an approval. So before you deposit, you have to approve the spending cap. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to spend 50 bucks. So I'm going to type in 51. Okay, just to give a little bit of margin. So once you're happy with that, and then from here, you click next. Okay, you review that. So the spending cap is going to be 50 USDC. You approve. Okay, and after that, you're going to deposit. So when you approve the amount that you want to deposit, then you are good to go. So you hit deposit again, okay? And this time, it will not ask you to approve, okay? So this time is going to be to interact with the smart contract. And this is where you're going to check the 4 digits of the smart contract. So 76 to B, okay? So we're going to go back to the MetaMask and we're going to check for 76 to B. And as you can see right there, 762B. So that's the smart contract that we are going to interact with. And then from there, we're just going to come over here and confirm whenever the project is ready. For some reason, it's not connecting to my ledger. MetaMask is a bit slow today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video. So probably we'll have to log out. And log back in from the MetaMask to see what happens. Okay, so let me pause the video. Okay, we are in, but for some reason MetaMask is very slow. Okay, so I approved the transaction, so let me just hit refresh and let's show you my dashboard. Hopefully this will be updated and you'll be able to see my stake. Okay, nothing is popping up, but you can see that my stake it's here. Okay, so if you click on the transaction hash, you can see my deposit right there. Boom. Okay, but it's not popping up right here, but essentially that's just how it works, and eventually my deposit will pop up right here. Okay, over here we got the referral link. So now because I've made it the deposit, okay, my referral link is activated. All I got to do now is share this referral link. Whoever joins the platform under my referral link, I will get 6% rewards from their deposits. Okay, and that's just how it works. Right, so let me just give it a good refresh again, and let's see if something comes up. Okay, if not, probably there you go, guys. So my deposit it's right here, so it's going to expire in 24 days, 23 hours, 58 minutes, and 7 seconds. Okay, and my rewards will be right here. Here, as you can see, 0.00008 to claim. Okay, so now that I'm in the project, okay, so what I do straight away is, and what you should do, I come over here to ever revoke. Okay, so ever revoke, as you can see, I've got nothing, but because I approve my USDC, a new contract will pop up right here. Okay, so what I will do right now, I am going to revoke the contract. So that means the project will not have access to my wallet no more because I am revoking the contract. And that's what you should do every time. So just housekeeping, guys, because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So always make sure that you revoke contracts as soon as you don't need them anymore, right? I'm going to leave all the links in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.